Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add subtitles in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and go to Wondershare Filmora and download the whole application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not important. What you need to do is now go and see what we have in the left screen. We have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and Help options, as the export option is gray now because we don't have anything to export. Also in the left side, we have Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and the Split Screen option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add subtitles in Filmora. So basically we need a video first, so I'm going to put a sample video from my PC. Of course, you're going to do it on your video. Now when you do that, what we need to do is go and drag it down here. And now we need to get the actual subtitles. That'll be done from the option in the top left corner, which is the titles option. Click on it and wait for it to load. It takes a couple of seconds. And when it loads, you can see subtitle option. You just need to go and click on it, drag it, and put it on top of the screen. And you can of course drag it to be larger if you want. As you can see, now you have subtitles that you can go and check out. You can go and click on them if you want. And you can, as you can see, you can click on them, you can write what you want, format, change the font, do whatever you want. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.